Hey guys, Imposter Mickey. As you can hear, there's a lot of thunder that's coming out of this one system. That means there's like a lot of lightning going on inside this thing. That, and Tigger's out here too. I don't know why. But yeah, that's a lot of lightning. I'm sorry, I mean lightning, I meant thunder. Hang on. You can literally hear that. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but I'll try to enhance the audio once this video is edited. That way you guys can hear it more. But yeah, look at that. I don't know if that's like rain or not, but hopefully it is. Oh my god. Should have seen earlier. It's just like pretty darker out here now compared to like a couple hours ago. Let's see if we can get some more, sound like a more of a better view from here. I was having trouble with this fence here. I finally got it. Come on. Yeah, look at those clouds though. Holy shit. It's moving in really fast. Clouds are moving really fast. Oh fuck. Is this the lightning? The LG is coming in quicker than we thought. Holy shit. Guys, this shit is very dangerous. Never record it in a thunderstorm. Never be outside during a thunderstorm. And first and second most important rule, stay safe inside the house. Yep. Oh, what if we stay out here when this thing rolls in? Hey, Tigger! Did you hear that thunder? Holy cow!
Man, I do not want to be out here right now.
I'm sorry, but you can't go in the house. I don't know what Mickey said about that. But yeah, look at that.
Man, this is very scary, you know.
Oh, Tigger could be in the woods. It's just rain. It's just a thunderstorm, technically. Yeah, most of it's over there. June 25th, 2025. Unexpected day. At least. Do you expect? It's summer now. Now we're in summer weather. Oh, whoa. Is that a little funnel? I think it looks like a scud. It's CUD cloud. Guys, that is some really loud thunder. I've never seen it. The other system that came on May 26th was like, well, didn't have that much thunder, but it did have a lot of lightning. Holy shit.
Man, what are you talking about?
Tigger, shut up! Thank you. As I was saying, yeah, as I said, this is like the most thunder I've heard in a system just like this. Bro.
I'm sorry, but I kind of want to come inside your house now.
Nope, you're staying out here with the rain. Because you need a good soak down. You just got thrown into the dirt. So you kind of need a free shower anyways. Holy shit. On this. Fuck. Today's pretty cold out. See anything coming from that direction? Look at Tigger. He's just sitting there like a wuss. Holy shit! Okay, we're going inside. That's the time to get inside now. Holy shit! That was close. Oh fuck. Oh my god! That was cloud to come around. That was CG.
Get inside now.
God damn. Holy cow. Well, I'll see you guys in a couple of hours, haha. Ah, sorry. My goddamn... There we go. Shades are much better. Yikes. Luckily, most of it's over there. Yeah. Alright. See you guys later, haha. Oh. Holy shit, that was close. I've never seen... Guys, like what you saw, do not go outside in the thunderstorm. Well, now it's raining pretty good now. At least I can see something here, haha. Wait, let's see what the storm does when the sun comes out. Damn! Imagine if it started hailing. I hope it doesn't. Hey, Calgary! Hope you have fun with the hail later! And hope you have fun with the hail throughout this year and then the decades after. Here in Edmonton, we are lucky that we don't get any hail. Okay, let's go inside. Oh, now it's getting heavier out. You see anything? I don't know if you see anything in these. Wow, that hurts. That really hurts. I wonder how Tigger's doing outside. God damn, son! Oh, god damn, that's what it's rumble of thunder. This is one heavy rain, and we're only on the brunt of it. Goddamn, Calgary, on the other hand, is gonna get the entire thing. Oh god. Okay, come on. Oh, yeah, that is one. That's one. Look at what Tigger's up to. Here it is from the back. He is getting pummeled out there. Now let's go see what. Unlike the front, we can't be on the back row, so rain will mess up our video. Look, Mr. Sun is coming out.
Somebody help me.
Sorry, Tigger. It's your fault for wanting to sit out there. Knowing I've warned you so many times that it was gonna rain. But of course you never listened to me, Tigger. Now you're paying the consequences. You're paying the consequences real good, Tigger. Let's go back to the front. Yeah, things are starting to calm down near the front here in the front area. Oh yeah, it's still raining pretty good, haha. God damn, son, haha. That's what you call unexpected weather, too. And the thunder. Alright. Oh. Well, nothing else too much to record here, really. It's just gonna like rain out for a couple more minutes and before. Yeah, that's mainly it, I guess. Haha. Yep, stopped raining now. That thunder is going. Ha ha ha. Alright, how about we fast forward time a little bit? I like fast forward jump time. Watch this. Alright, here we go. Sorry, that was just a little test. Yeah. Alright. Now we just fast forwarded time. The storm is over there. We got cumulonimbus calvus developing over here. That ain't gonna hit us again, because that thing is moving off towards the west. But yeah, it's common to see other cumulonimbus clouds right after a thunderstorm. Especially a severe one. Because this storm was part of a multicellular system. Haha. Come on. Okay. It's right there. We can get a better view from the alleyway, I guess. Even though there's gonna be power poles in the way, haha. Down. Yeah, there it is. Haha. Beautiful anvil, though. Or, well, developing anvil cloud, I guess. Haha. Damn. Well, I guess that might have to conclude for today, pals. Haha. Well, I'll see you guys later. See you tomorrow. And, until then, peace out. Twas safe.